In one actress that you want to correct her dressing sense?
I don't think I should be answering that. Pariniti Chopra.
If we talk about designers, we talk about Sabyasachi. Don't you think it's overrated?
Fashion industry behind the scene भी इतनी glamorous है?
No. Fashion is only glamorous till the time a shoot is done. But the kind of problems every day we have to face. Just 10 days back, I had a bride walk in my store. Her mother was there with her and her mother-in-law was there with her. And they wanted her to wear this particular outfit, but the bride, she refused it point blank. But you know what she said really impressed me. I want to tell this to all girls, every single girl, that please think, be financially independent.
So a sari with a blazer, sneakers with lehenga, and many more different kind of clothing which are actually being incorporated these days in Indian traditional wardrobe. This is our topic for today, and Indian women are actually changing the style, incorporating tradition as well as Westernism into their trousseau. So today we talk about Indo-Western look. What is it all about? What is designing these days in Indian market, and what all things are going to be there in the futuristic point of view when we talk about fashion, when we talk about clothes, when we talk about Gen Z girls wearing Indo-Western clothes, everything and anything related to that.
So today we have a guest, Kintu Bihani. Kintu Bihani is a name जिन्होंने अपने लेबल के थ्रू बहुत ही सुंदर ताना बाना बुना है, ट्रेडिशनल्स का, वेस्टर्न का, इंडो वेस्टर्न का, और इतनी खूबसूरती से वो ताना बाना बुना है काव्योरा अपने ब्रांड के थ्रू. So let's welcome Kintu Bihani.
Hello everyone.
Welcome to Delhi Unplugged.
Thank you so much for having me here.
So Kintu,
Yes.
tell us, how did Kavyura happen?
So basically, मैं अगर सच में बोलूँ तो I had lot of creativity in my mind right from start. But there was a point when I realized that creativity alone is not enough.
Okay.
And I wanted to reach out to people through my designs. I wanted to scale up my designs. And because मुझे हमेशा से ऐसा लगता है, if you have the right platform, आप वहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं जहाँ आप पहुँचना चाहते हैं. So that is how Kavyora happened.
So why you just picked up clothes designing only? इसी में क्यों?
Because I am a fashion designer graduate.
ठीक है.
From right after my college, I did a proper 4-year fashion designing course.
Okay.
So fashion was always in me, right from the time when I was young.
Okay.
सुना तुमने भी वो बनाए थे क्या, वो न्यूज़पेपर से वो सब बनाते थे?
Absolutely. 4 साल तक. Not only 1 year, 2 years, but for 4 years, like a proper professional 4-year course. So I always knew when I was young, I always
wanted
knew
to become?
that I wanted to be a designer, and you know, fashion always attracted me.
Fashion attracts everybody.
So yes, but 90% I agree with you, but अभी भी कुछ 10-15% लोग हैं जिन्हें फैशन इतना अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता है. They are like the bare minimalistic लोग, like थोड़ा में ही बहुत खुश है. But
Meet me.
yes. So I feel that, you know, the only way to reach out to people is by executing your work. And I wanted to do that for a long time. So that is how Kavyora happened, when I actually put my creativity onto, not only on paper, but actually executed that.
What goes behind this name, Kavyora?
So Kavyora has a very beautiful meaning. In fact, मुझे बहुत लोग ये पूछते हैं, and I'm so glad that, you know, it's come across today. Kavyora means craft your aura. As a designer, I always feel that you should not just stick to a particular trend or a particular fashion, but anything you wear which makes you super confident and comfortable. That is why I chose this name, because I've always believed that, you know, crafting your inner personality and your aura reflects directly on your clothes. मैं हमेशा वही कपड़े पहनती हूँ जो मेरी पर्सनालिटी को सूट करता है. I don't care whether it is in fashion or it is trending. I always like to dress up according to my mood, according to my inner personality, because I know the day I wear that, I feel super confident. It reflects my personality. So, and that is what I keep telling my clients also, especially brides.
Got you.
Especially brides. You know, every day I have so many people walking in the store and so many people with random choices and all. And you know, they wear, and obviously because आप designer हो तो आप stylist भी हो at the same time. So you know, I tell my clients to drape the certain to drape everything in a certain way, or to carry what kind of jewelry you should carry with that and all. And the minute they walk out from the trial room, थ्रू देयर फेस एक्सप्रेशन मैं रियलाइज कर जाती हूँ कि इन्हें ये पसंद आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, बिकॉज सम पीपल रियलाइज इट, सम डोंट. But I think if you're wearing outfit which makes you feel very, very comfortable, it automatically reflects on your face.
Agree.
And that is how I gauge whether they are feeling comfortable. And being an owner, being a store owner, you won't believe it, but I do it every day. If I know that that person is not feeling comfortable, I flat refuse her to buy that outfit. In fact, I give her more options, that why don't you try this, or why don't you try something else, because I know that she's not comfortable in that. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आप कभी भी जो भी outfit buy कर रहे हो, अगर maybe once or twice you will be able to wear it, but जब तक आप उसमें comfortable नहीं हो, I don't think you can do justice to that outfit. I definitely think that you can't do it, because ये मेरा personal trait है.
With time, Indian market has evolved. पहले ट्रेडिशनल था, हमारे टाइम पे बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होता था. एंड आजकल के बच्चे इंडियन पहनना चाहते हैं, बट स्टिल दे वांटेड टू बी अ लिटिल टुवर्ड्स वेस्टर्निज्म. So I think Indo-Western is something which is actually popping up very well.
Totally. And my all-time favorite.
And what is your thought process about this? कि क्या फर्क आया है, क्या आगे हो सकता है, फ्यूचरिस्टिक क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है इंडियन क्लोथिंग का, ट्रेडिशनल वेयर का, and what is it all about?
So I believe Indo-Western is one pick where everyone should have it, because it is not about just style. It is also about usage. Life has become so busy for everyone. Every lifestyle has completely changed for everyone. Today women are so busy. They definitely want outfits जो उनके रोज में they can wear it and just create style in their own way. So I feel why Indo-Western is evolving is because of this thought process, because lifestyle.
Time too.
Lifestyle has
Comfort
changed.
भी है.
Yes.
Comfort, time, because time नहीं है किसी के पास भी कि to drape a 6-yard sari for such a long time, despite of the fact that Indian woman has always draped it within 1 minute. मुझे जहाँ तक याद है, हमारे mothers को देख लो, 1 मिनट में
Even I can.
तभी मैं mothers को बोल रही हूँ,
Excuse me.
1 मिनट में they used to wear it. हम लोग आगे वाले generation जो है, they want to have that grace and that oomph factor, but they don't want to invest
So that's
their time in
why
that.
that's why your drape sarees have been introduced.
Yes. So I want you to talk about
Yes,
Indo-Western
that's again
also.
a part of Indo-Western.
Yeah.
You know, India is so beautiful. What I love more, and I'm so blessed to have been born in India, because I think जो culture हमारे India में है, every state has its own beauty.
Yes.
You know, whether it's fabrics, whether it's embroidery, दिल्ली में एक अपना अलग कल्चर है, मुंबई में अपना अलग कल्चर है, अहमदाबाद में एक अलग कल्चर है, साउथ में एक अलग कल्चर है.
Same goes with sarees also.
North Delhi में एक अलग culture है.
GK में अलग है. नहीं, even when we talk about sarees also, like North की sarees are separate. When we talk about Rajasthan, lehriyas and bandhani are there. South में kanjivarams are there. Kolkata, if we talk about, it's more about तात की sarees with that red side पे जो पट्टा होता है, उनका अलग होता है. And when we separately talk about festivities also, what is your take on that?
So मैं यही बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि आप देखो, इंडो वेस्टर्न जो ये वर्ड इवॉल्व हुआ है, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली. इनिशियली हमने देखा है हमारी मॉम्स, हमारी ग्रैंड मॉम्स, इनफैक्ट बहुत हद तक हम लोग भी, वी यूज्ड टू ड्रेप अ प्रॉपर साड़ी फॉर every occasion. But अब आजकल ड्रेप साड़ीज कहाँ से आई है? It's because of the Indo-Western look, because people are so busy in their lifestyle, they don't have time, and everybody wants to fit into modern culture these days. Whether
See, it is both ways. पहले आज से अगर हम 15 साल पहले की बात करें तो इंडो वेस्टर्न इसलिए अपील करता था क्योंकि उसमें वेस्टर्न था.
वेस्टर्न था.
आज वो इसलिए अपील करता है क्योंकि
उसमें
उसमें
इंडियन है. हाँ.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है these days women are perfectly balancing cultural roots with tradition beats. Absolutely.
That's a very good part of being Indian also, that people
Yes.
don't want to let go of their
Yes,
traditions.
they are not let go. I don't
Yes.
think women are avoiding tradition. I think they are just
Yes,
reinventing it.
even the next generation as well. I feel they don't
Yes.
want to avoid our tradition. They are not into modernity totally.
Yes.
They want to incorporate that, take it further into
बिल्कुल.
upcoming
अगर
things.
ड्रेप साड़ी आई है because I want to wear साड़ी but I don't know how
Yes,
to wear.
that's what I'm saying. They want the
So,
grace of the
yes,
sari, but in a fraction of a minute.
Yes.
बिल्कुल.
So this is all, and because मुझे बहुत लगता है, it has majorly to do with your lifestyle change and your time these days. Every woman is working. Most of them are working. They want transition of outfits.
Yes.
कि जो वो एक normal wedding में भी पहन सके. The same outfit can be transited to their office party wear or their business wear. Everything which can easily be transited.
Agree. And मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि the fit comes so perfectly when you wear an Indo-Western outfit.
Yes.
इतनी अच्छी आप साड़ी खुद ड्रेप नहीं कर सकते जितना अच्छा फिट आता है बना बनाया.
Yes.
ऐसी कोई बात.
The structured thing. This is what नहीं. This is a fact because I'll tell you. पहले वाले लोगों को पहननी आती थी. अब बच्चे सीखना ही नहीं चाहते.
वो एक अलग बात है.
वो-
but yes. But still I would say साड़ी को कुछ भी नहीं बीट कर सकता.
मेरा कुछ पर्सनल चॉइस मैटर करता है. I would still want to say that for me sari is the most gracious outfit.
Yes.
I will pick that on every other outfit.
Yes. Graceful
And not
भी,
just
glamorous भी. It has.
नहीं, and not just us. If we talk about
Everything.
all the when we talk about Cannes Film Festival or Met Gala or all these
Yes,
places,
yes.
everyone is carrying sari.
Yes.
Not just Indian celebrities, but also international
Yes,
celebrities.
Indian celebrities, it is so nice to see all these Indian celebrities promoting sari. Now that is the beauty of fashion, I feel, and that is the beauty of analyzing yourself, that what suits your body. Again, you have smart corset blouses, you have smart designs, you have jackets over your saris. This is all a blend of cultural root and modern practicality. You are trying to just adapt your modernism, but at the same time you're not forgetting your cultural roots. So it is such a nice thing to see these Indian celebrities promoting saris at Met Gala and everywhere all around the world. In fact, why only Indian celebrities? I know about so many international celebrities who are wanting to buy saris, although their cuts are different, which everybody, as I again said,
Which looks like a gown.
yes, मुझे हमेशा again and again I would want to repeat this constantly, that I always feel you should carry garments which reflect your inner self, which makes you feel comfortable and present yourself. I want to tell you this story because क्योंकि ये topic आया है, I really want to share this story with you. Just 10 days back, I had a bride walk in my store and she was looking for 2-3 Indo-Western outfits for her haldi and sangeet function. तो उसने पूरा store देखा सब कुछ अच्छे से and she picked up random outfits and all. And her mother was there with her and her mother-in-law was there with her. And they wanted her to wear this particular outfit because it was a more flashy looking outfit. It was more perfect for the occasion. But the bride, she refused it point blank. And उसकी मदर ने, उसकी मदर इन लॉ ने उसको बहुत कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करी that I think that ये इवेंट के लिए ये पर्टिकुलर ड्रेस आपका एकदम सूटेबल है. But what she said really impressed me. She said, it is my event, it is my function. What is the point if I am not able to enjoy it and I am not comfortable? I might as well wear. I understand that marriage and weddings are a certain platform, but ultimately it is my event and I want to enjoy it. So again, मुझे ये सब चीजें देख के मुझे ऐसा लगता
शादी
है
में हील्स की जगह स्नीकर्स ने ले ली है.
Yes. मुझे ये
Comfort.
लगता है that
Comfort.
these days brides are so clear in their mind. अगर हम हमारे टाइम की बात करें तो बहुत कम ऐसी फैमिलीज होती थी जो अपनी डॉटर इन लॉज को शॉपिंग ले जाती थी, वो तो अपने हिसाब से शॉप करके भेज देते थे.
And up to it's like totally different. The girl is ready with a mood board that I have got. This is my haldi mood board. This is my iska mood board, and this is going to go this.
Which is very nice, I believe. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत अच्छी बात है that you know let's not talk about anything else but let's just talk about the clarity what they have in mind. Initially जब हमारा टाइम था तो उस समय पे इतनी चीजें होती ही नहीं.
फिर लेकिन then again when we talk about this thing, आजकल it's more about social media then.
Yes.
All these things, all this homework is being done because it has to be exhibited on social media. ये मेरा thought process है. I might be wrong. I want you to put it. I know, that's what.
यही होता है.
है ना?
पर हम इतना ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड की बात कर रहे हैं, सब चीज इतना ग्लैमरस साउंड कर रहे हैं, पर फैशन इंडस्ट्री बिहाइंड द सीन भी इतनी ग्लैमरस है.
No. This is one thing, you know, they highly mistaken for this because glamour fashion is only glamorous till the time a shoot is done. But the kind of problems every day we have to face, inventory management, production delays, and you know, all this is very difficult to maintain. So I would say fashion is glamorous but only till the time a shoot is done, but operational for the rest of the time.
That's where I was coming into. You are a store owner, तो तुम क्या प्रमोट करती हो कि सेम कपड़े भी पहनने चाहिए, सस्टेनेबिलिटी, या इवन यू वुड से यार खरीदो, मतलब व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑन दिस कि लोग कपड़े रिपीट नहीं करना चाहते? क्योंकि मैंने पोस्ट किया था इंस्टाग्राम पे, I was wearing.
और एक और क्वेश्चन इसी के बीच में आ जाता है, आर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स चेंजिंग द ट्रेंड मच मोर स्पीडिंग वे देन द डिजाइनर्स तो बाद में लेके आते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का ही चेंज होना शुरू हो जाता है कि नहीं ये नहीं आजकल ये चल रहा है, हम इस तरह से चलेंगे.
See, I feel influencers accelerate trends, but designers still create the foundation.
Yes.
Definitely, yes. One, maybe influencers can drive visibility to your garments, but designers
तो गारमेंट्स तो बनाने पड़ेंगे ना.
are the innovators. So I feel both have to work hand in hand, but also having said that मुझे ये लगता है कि trust and credibility matter more than trends, for sure. Because आप कितना भी influencers के साथ आप tie up कर लो, लोगों को वो reach out करते हैं, for sure. I will not take that from them, and they are doing good also, which even अगर आज मुझे कभी कुछ प्रमोट करना है मैं करूंगी इन्फ्लुएंसर से टाई अप, बट देन मैं अपनी क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं खोना चाहूंगी उस बीच में. I keep this saying to my customers as well. If you are following an influencer page, it is very good, but at the same time don't forget that who has created that. It is very important for you to recognize that face also.
But then that has been created for particular body type.
Yes.
एक इन्फ्लुएंसर का, अब मैं उसको देख के आऊं कि वो सेम चीज मुझे चाहिए, तो वो तो नहीं हो सकता ना. It won't suit.
It won't suit.
So that needs to
So
be kept in my mind.
there the designer comes in, na?
Yes.
This is such a
There
nice
is where
question.
you- yes.
I have been answering this question almost every day at my store, and I'm so glad that you got this up, because मुझे सच में ऐसा लगता है कि as I said in my earlier questions, that anything you wear, कोई भी single outfit, two different people will carry it in two different ways.
Still my question is there only कि लोगों को ये रिपीट करने चाहिए कपड़े कि नहीं करने चाहिए?
करने चाहिए. Definitely
रिपीट की बात जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ ज्वेलरी ब्रांड्स आल्सो एंड क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स आल्सो. ज्वेलर्स का तो इन्होंने आजकल ऐसा कर दिया कि एक ही चीज को 3 से 4 तरीके से पहनना शुरू कर दिया है. But if it is a bracelet, it's not just going to be a bracelet. It can be a choker, it can be a bracelet, it can be a double triple string की ring. The same way, I think Indo-Western में भी ऐसा हो गया है कि तुम्हारा drape है तो you can wear it with a cape, or you can remove the cape and you can wear it with a dhoti and your short kurti or something like that.
So this is exactly where a designer comes in picture. And also I feel कि Instagram जो है वो बहुत हद तक आप पे एक प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है. यस, बहुत हद तक करता है. वाई? बिकॉज मैं आपको इसका एक बहुत अच्छा ये बताती हूँ. वाई? बिकॉज इनिशियली memories were just in albums, but now it is permanently online. उसका एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है दैट बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम पे ओ मेरा स्टोरी डल चुका है, माई रील इज बीन शॉट इन दिस ड्रेस एंड ऑल, बट आई फील दैट you should definitely repeat your outfits, maybe on different occasions, maybe with different people or with the same people, and if you are so obsessed of not repeating, you style it in different ways.
पहले क्या होता था, एक साड़ी, यार ये तो इसके साथ मेरी मेमोरी जुड़ी हुई है, आई विल रिपीट इट, ये दिस इज वेरी क्लोज, जहां भी मेरे को लगता है ना कि इसकी जरूरत है मैं ये पहन लेती हूँ, कॉन्फिडेंस की, माँ की या कुछ भी, इसके साथ मेरी मेमोरी जुड़ी हुई है। अब ये तो मैंने इंस्टा पे डाली हुई है, ये तो इस पे कमेंट भी आए थे,
ये तो अभी
इतने
परसों
likes
पहन
भी
के
आई
आई थी। मैंने अभी परसों वाली पार्टी में ये वाली ड्रेस पहनी थी, अब मैं फिर से कैसे repeat
मेमोरी वाला पार्ट तो खो ही गया है।
But I would really like to add here this that I think Instagram still creates pressure. I think it creates lots of pressure. Society still influences choices, but personal expression is also evolving. And I think जब वो एक personal expression आपका social validation के ऊपर हो जाता है, then I think you can very easily balance it. Because मैंने बहुत नोटिस किया है, स्पेशली ब्राइड्स में मैंने ये बहुत नोटिस किया है। ऑल्सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ अदर क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो जो मेरे स्टोर में रोज वॉक इन होते हैं, हु आर माई परमानेंट क्लाइंट्स एंड ऑल। आई फील दैट दे आर वेरी स्मार्टली गोइंग बैक टू रिपीटिंग आउटफिट्स एंड चूजिंग वाइजली। पहले क्या होता था, ब्राइड्स भी जब आती थी, मतलब इट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग, आई एम श्योर हम लोग सब एक ही एरा के हैं, तो हम लोग को ये बात पता है, ब्राइड्स आती थी, हम लोग को ऐसे लगता था कि हम सबसे हैवी आउटफिट पिक कर लें, बिकॉज वी वांट टू लुक ग्रैंड ऑन आवर मील,
we want to look exceptional.
we want, but brides are very practical these days.
Again, another question I wanted to ask. पहले था it has to be heavy embellishments and everything.
Yes.
Now it's more towards pastels and light shades and very वो.
अभी आज ही की बात है,
हाँ, उसके बारे में I want to talk to you.
Got engaged and she bought drape साड़ी, तो उसको ये रिव्यूज मिले कि ड्रेप साड़ी तो कोई और तेरे फंक्शन में आएगा तो वो
भी पहन लेगा,
why are you wearing drape sari, and she said I want to look graceful, I don't want to look,
because I feel earlier, yes, elegance earlier was related to heavy embellishments. It was associated with heavy embellishments. लोगों को लगता था हम बहुत heavily embellished अपने आप को कर लेंगे तो हम elegant लगेंगे, but today I strongly believe elegance is more about simplicity. It is more about your personal style and it is more about your comfort. I want to say this today, जो मैंने आजकल के Gen Z girls से सीखा है. These Gen Z girls, they are so smart these days and I learn so much from them. I really learn from them that they choose comfort above everything. वो आते हैं मेरे स्टोर में, वो मुझे सबसे पहले यही बोलते हैं, मैम प्लीज शो अस समथिंग व्हिच इज कंफर्टेबल, बिकॉज दे वांट टू रीयूज दैट आउटफिट.
नहीं तो अब इफ यू डिफाइन दिल्ली स्पेसिफिकली, आई वांट टू नो दिल्ली गर्ल्स एंड देयर फैशन पर्सनालिटीज. सबका अलग अलग है, मतलब दिल्ली भी इज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू सो मेनी थिंग्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि यू कैन नॉट से कि दिल्ली ही वो है, बिकॉज हमारे में साउथ दिल्ली एंड उषा कपिला स्टाइल एंड एवरीथिंग वी टॉक अबाउट.
Yes.
Shivoham.
Yes. Yes. So let's start with South Delhi girls.
Yes.
Okay. South Delhi girls, trendsetters.
Okay.
Confident.
Okay.
Never afraid to make a statement. Okay. Yes, that is one thing which I really admire about them, is that आप उनको कुछ भी दे दो, anything, they would want to carry it.
They are the trendsetters.
They are the trendsetters. And more classier also.
Yes.
I
Because
For sure.
most of the North Delhi or West Delhi are living in this, उसने क्या पहना, उसने क्या, उसको follow करना है. They are very good followers.
Yes. Yes.
But when it comes to creativity, when it comes to
Yes.
trying,
Yes.
yes.
New things is them. अच्छा, and
किंतु तुमने अपने स्टोर पे ब्राइड्स को भी देखा है,
Yes.
तो ऑब्वियसली ब्राइड मेड्स को भी देखा होगा.
Yes. Yes.
क्या
My most favorites.
bridesmaids.
Yes. My most favorites. Trust me.
अच्छा, okay.
मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है जब ब्राइड मेड्स आती है, बिकॉज अगेन अब ये इंस्टाग्राम फिर आ जाता है बीच में हमारे, because I feel these days bridesmaids also are investing heavily on their,
more than brides?
because it's, having said that, every wedding has become a social event. आप whether you like it or you don't like it,
Exhibition.
but that is the reality.
Basically an exhibition
Yeah,
of
it's become a fashion museum actually, which rightly, as designers, I'm very proud of. I'm very proud of that because
I agree.
that is the way we show our creativity.
हाउ फार इज इट गुड यार? पहले कितना अच्छा होता था, जिसको जो पहनना है पहन लो।
See, again here
अब मेरी पार्टी में आना है तो ये थीम में आना है।
again here I feel the way each is comfortable.
Yes, it should be that.
Yes, I will talk to you about my father. My father, he never believed in all this till date. हम कितने weddings में जाते हैं, but he says no. What I like, I will wear. I will not stick to the color code. I will not stick to the theme of the thing because that is not my personality. So I totally respect that. So I think this is each to its own. How much you want to follow that and how much you enjoy doing that. The main point is that it shouldn't be over your functions. What I'm trying to say is that you should concentrate more on enjoying the function rather than morely involving in whether you have suited that theme or not. So जब ये बैलेंस नहीं होता है then it becomes a problem.
ओवर द बोर्ड जब जहाँ पे भी चला
But
जाए
जब
that
आप
goes
इन
well.
दोनों चीज को बैलेंस कर लेते हो, I think it's good to go for everyone and to each its own. Here I will not want to say that negative or positive about or pros and cons about this thing.
It's not just for the marriages also. Even in the events when people say you restrict yourself to color.
Yes.
अब मेरा मूड उस कलर का नहीं है suppose.
Yes.
मूड भी होता है ना कई बार, इफ यू डोंट फील लाइक वेयरिंग व्हाइट सो यू डोंट फील लाइक वेयरिंग अ स्पेसिफिक कलर, तो वो फिर थोड़ा सा डैम्पन सा ही होता है।
I've seen people missing the events only because of this.
The color thing, na, which is very wrong, I guess.
Theme.
So with time, like 5 years back the brides and now the brides, what is the difference?
Huge difference. Huge. Not only 5 years, I think 10 years down the line also. Huge difference. Today brides, I think, एक तो मैंने पहले बोला that they are very clear in their minds. Also, मुझे जो सबसे अच्छी आदत उनकी ये लगती है that they are looking for reusability.
Acha, whatever they are buying.
Rather than just picking up.
But then again, they are spending a lot on
यार
clothes
सब्यसाची का लहंगा
splurging so much. That's what I'm saying, na?
I feel मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मॉडर्न ब्राइड्स जो है, मुझे दिस इज माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन, आई डोंट नो हाउ फार यू गाइज विल अग्री टू इट, बट दिस इज माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन. Fashion and brides have become a very healthy combination because I think every modern bride tells a story through her fashion. I'll tell you how. Like, supposingly, as we discussed earlier, every wedding has a different set of celebrations with their own moods and own themes. I think her bride अपने कपड़ों के through अपनी different personality traits
दिखाती है,
reflect करती है. Sometimes
सॉरी कहती है मुझे तो सब्यसाची का लहंगा पहनना है।
कन्वे नहीं है,
Everybody will say.
sometimes she is going absolutely traditional and sometimes she is doing absolutely contemporary.
there are few who actually want to get it done through अलग करना चाहते, everyone wants to do something different.
And agreed, but again मैं वापस I will want to I would really want to repeat myself on this, that too again this thing has each to its own. Some brides, they still want heavy brand names, they still want that that we are carrying a Sabya lehenga or whatever.
जैसे यही बात हो रही है तो क्या करना चाहिए? सब्यसाची का ओरिजिनल लहंगा, सब्यसाची का कॉपी लहंगा, या किसी डिसेंट डिजाइनर का ओरिजिनल, क्या होना चाहिए?
See, as a designer मैं इस बात को बहुत अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ और मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्ट भी करती हूँ. मान लीजिए अगर आज मेरा कोई डिजाइन है एंड इफ आई सी सम अदर पीपल, दैट इज द रीजन मैं अपने बेस्ट डिजाइन्स इंस्टा पे नहीं डालती हूँ. लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम एंड दे टेल मी, लॉट ऑफ माय क्लाइंट्स एंड दे कम एंड दे टेल मी दैट हम कैसे देखें, आपने तो ये तो हमने इंस्टा पे देखा ही नहीं है. द रीजन व्हाई आई डोंट पुट इज दिस बिकॉज अगेन आई नो जिस दिन मैंने ये डिजाइन डाला है इसकी 10 कॉपीज बन जाएगी within a week. But then a lot of times जब मैं brides की mentality समझती हूँ, they know they can't spend that much, but at the same time they want to wear it. फिर उनके लिए क्या ऑप्शन है?
किसी और को ओरिजिनल को ढूंढो.
बट उनको वो ही डिजाइनर चाहिए, but they can't spend that.
It's all about that. It's all about their mentality of buying that particular set, and they cannot buy it, but then they need it.
ये अपना ये मुझे इसमें
That is what is saying. But मेरे को एक बात और बताओ. If we talk about designers, I'm not talking US particular. We talk about Sabyasachi. Don't you think it's overrated? So much amount. You know, see, I'll tell you. I understand Karigar, everything that matters. I understand that, but still, we know there's a lot of margin.
Yes, वो तो अब देखिए आप कोई बिजनेस कर रहे हैं.
A lot of margin means it's actually very hefty margin we are talking here.
Yes, it is. But then, आप डिजाइनर का क्या एम है? What is the designer? I think a designer is someone कि जो आप एक गारमेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वो थॉट प्रोसेस कहीं और पहुंच भी नहीं सकता है. उसी के पैसे हैं. It's very simple.
True.
It's very simple. Today I am a designer. I am creating an outfit. अगर वही आउटफिट आप लोग क्रिएट करो तो फिर आप भी डिजाइनर्स हो.
Exactly.
मैं अकेली डिजाइनर नहीं हूँ. तो मैं किस चीज का पैसे ले रही हूँ? मैं उसी के पैसे ले रही हूँ. दैट आई हैव पुट माई माइंड इनटू समथिंग. I am trying to give you that outfit. I am styling that outfit in a particular way, which no one can ever imagine.
So it goes कि वो उसकी आर्ट है.
Yes.
और आर्ट के तो
No, like if we talk about business
Yes.
of not just you as such, मतलब लेकिन जितने भी fashion industry में हैं जो designers हैं,
Yes.
so many mistakes are made.
Yes.
What do you think are the most highlighted ones which are made?
When I started Kavyora, I will speak for myself because I have been through that.
You must be knowing others also, right?
Yes,
मतलब
yes.
most of the time.
जो सबसे बड़ा मिस्टेक बिजनेस में किसी भी टाइम पे होता है is doing everything yourself. Any business to run smoothly, you need to build a good department for it, and you have to learn to delegate work. I think this is something which is very very important. Because हमें क्या लगता है ना, जब हम नया like I will again speak for myself, like when I had just started the brand, I had wanted to do everything on my own. I wanted to speak to the karigars, I wanted to go to source fabrics, I wanted to. So what would happen in that time was that because I used to get so tired sometimes that my mind stopped working into the creative field. And that's where I realized that I want to build a good system. I want to allot things to,
Teamwork has to be like in a proper way.
Always. Because I feel also, you need to understand that cash is very important than revenue. This is something which any business would want to, flourishing business can still struggle if the finances are not
on point.
Yeah, if they are not matched properly.
So many nicely built up businesses have actually.
They can still struggle if your finances are not matched properly. If they are not matched.
तो फैशन डिजाइनर्स की तो मैथ्स अच्छी होती नहीं होगी. की होती.
That is why we need a good building system. That is why we need a good building system.
या तो वो कर्व्स में देखेगा.
इसलिए so when I started realizing this, that doing everything on my own is not a good idea, that is how I started building my team. This is how now I delegate work. Now my duty is to just focus on my creativity. But again इसमें भी एक बहुत बड़ा issue ये आ जाता है that a lot of times your team thinks and lot of other people also think that being a owner gives you the freedom to do anything. But having said that, they don't realize that it's an accountability 24/7 because I am the face.
So there are many people out there who want to pursue fashion, who want to start their own label.
Yes.
But they don't know how to start it.
Yes.
So do you have any message for them?
I definitely have a very good message for them. I would want to tell them that only if you think that your creativity will be as impactful as you think it can be. If you have a very clear idea about what you are getting into, which is the most important thing. Second, I would want to tell them that please be very careful financially wise. Because if you have a good knowledge about, I'm not saying you can't hire a team, but these are little things which needs to be very, very, these are 2-3 things I think. The rest all can be taken care of.
Yes.
Building a good team can be taken care of. You can hire karigars, that is okay. You can do major important.
Being a digital marketer also, whenever I try to talk to someone, you want to invest into anything. किसी में भी आपको पहले पूरे साल का बजटिंग बना के साइड पे रखना है कि आपको इतना एड्स पे लगाना है, इतना आपको लगाना है. उससे क्या है, you don't feel burnt.
Yes. Also, I feel in fashion, every collection is a calculated risk.
ऐसा भी हुआ है किंतु कि तुमने कोई डिजाइन बनाया और उसमें बड़ा पूरा अपना हार्ट एंड सोल लगा दिया डिजाइन में, इट केम आउट वेरी वेल, बट जब वो कॉपी हुआ तो उसका बहुत ही बेकदरी हो गया, तो कैसा लगा?
एवरी डे होता है, एवरी डे होता है, रोज रोज कोई ना कोई क्लाइंट आता है, वो
क्योंकि
बोलता
कॉपी
है,
करने वाले भी बहुत खराब करते
और
हैं,
कॉपी करने वाले उनकी जो स्पीड इतनी ज्यादा होती है कॉपी करने
लेकिन वो
की।
खराब भी बहुत करते हैं।
बट देन मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि आप अगर अगेन वही हमारा क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, इफ यू आर ओके कैरिंग इट विद गुड ग्रेस एंड कॉन्फिडेंस, गो फॉर इट। बट देन मैं एज अ डिजाइनर मैं ये बोलूंगी कि देखो, जब मैंने कुछ क्रिएट किया है, मुझे ये फीलिंग है कि आई हैव पुट इन माई बेस्ट एफर्ट्स इन दैट गारमेंट, and I will not say that I will not be sad or I will not feel bad about it, but then again this is a business, if people want to do it, and यही मैं बोल रही हूँ, ये डिजाइनर में
आज की डेट में लेकिन यही हो रहा है, आपके 10 डिजाइनर्स हैं और उनको कॉपी करने के लिए 100 स्टूडियोज हैं जो
इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट डिजाइनर्स। आज हम अगर कारीगर्स की भी बात करते हैं, कोई कारीगर अगर हमारे लिए काम कर रहा है, इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर हिम टू पास दैट डिजाइन टू समवन एल्स।
बॉन्ड नहीं साइन होता कुछ।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है। कारीगर्स में और लेबर्स में आप कभी ये बॉन्ड नहीं साइन कर सकते हो, दे हैव अ फ्री हैंड। तो आप कहाँ तक लोगों को रीच करोगे? इसलिए दैट इज व्हाई आई कीप टेलिंग एवरीबडी दैट what gives me inner peace is that I believe that I have put on my best efforts in this garment. I have made it my most important thing. You know, I have invested everything in a particular. मैं हर एक garment को वैसे ही देखती हूँ।
वैसे भी I personally feel fashion designers are also therapists. They, no, that's a fact because मतलब if I'm wearing a shabby clothing, if I'm wearing those pajamas and all, it's comfortable for me.
Yes.
But if I dress well, the kind of confidence I get to talk to people, the way I present myself, मेरा खुद का ही aura change हो जाता है।
Absolutely.
बोलने का तरीका अपने आप से ही change हो
See,
जाता है।
fashion can never change who you are.
चाल भी चेंज हो जाती है
हाँ।
पजामे में।
It definitely influences how you feel.
Yes.
I will
And
definitely
how others
agree.
feel also.
Absolutely. You walk in a room, if you are if that dress is suiting your personality, वो पूरा aura change हो जाता है room का, and it has nothing to do with fashion or confidence or anything. It's just that your inner self is reflected through that style.
Yes.
So I always tell people that please wear clothes which are comfortable, which suits your personality. I don't care about trends.
Fine. So now it's time for rapid fire round.
Sure.
साड़ीज और पावर सूट।
Saris.
Sari is also a power dressing only, I guess.
It is, for me, it is the most powerful dressing.
लग्जरी ब्रांड और होम ग्रोन इंडियन ब्रांड।
Definitely homegrown Indian brands. I believe Indian customers, Indian designers understand Indian customers much better.
Comfort or glamour?
Both.
Or comfortable glamour
Both. Comfort with glamour.
with glamour.
Comfort with glamour.
डेली वेडिंग और डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग।
Destination wedding.
Fashion trend that you want to ban?
Sticking to heavy luxury logos just because it's a trend. Heavy brands just because they are in fashion. If it's not suiting your personality, please don't buy it.
मोस्ट ओवररेटेड फैशन ट्रेंड।
The most overrated fashion trend is just running after a brand which you think will suit you, and just because some people have recommended it to you.
One outfit that everyone should own, every woman.
I think one good Indo-Western fit is something which every woman should have in their wardrobe.
अकॉर्डिंग टू यू मोस्ट वेल ड्रेस्ड बॉलीवुड दीवा।
There are a lot, but I feel my strongest go-to personality at any given point will be Shilpa Shetty.
In one actress that you want to correct her dressing sense?
One actress you want? I don't think I should be answering that. But yes, I feel I'm not too much of a Bollywood fan, but I would still want to tell you this, that one actress I believe who should work a little on her fashion trend is Parineeti Chopra.
Parineeti Chopra.
Yes, I think she needs to make wear something more which suits her body rather than just carrying off trends and just making fashion statements, because I think Parineeti Chopra.
You think Indian brands are beating international brands?
100%. Absolutely. There is no denial on that. As I told earlier, that Indian designers and brands understand Indian consumers much better rather than any other brand. They know what a customer wants, and that's exactly what they are getting into. So I feel it's become very easy for the customers also these days. I see a lot of people who used to just wear, I will not say that the international markets are not doing well, but I know a lot of people who would just want to go to Zara or Mango, or versus they are picking Indian brands. Like they are getting into the practice of, wearing Indian brands more often than what they used to wear before. So this is only because your Indian market is understanding the consumer demand.
Any tips that you would like to give to upcoming brides?
Upcoming brides, yes, upcoming brides. There is only one thing what I want to tell you is that I know that these upcoming brides, they have a lot of clarity in mind, but having said that, again, I want to put this, which I've been repeatedly telling in my podcast, is that please wear and buy clothes which makes you feel very, very comfortable, because it is your big day. You want to enjoy it, and these days will never come back. So try and buy outfits which suit your personality. At the same time, it adapts to your occasion, because I feel there is no point in picking up something which at the end of the day is not going to give you that comfort, because that confidence will never come to you. And on your big day, you have to look royal, you have to look regal. So it is very important to pick something which suits your personality rather than just following a trend. Very, very important. And why only brides? I want to tell this to all girls, every single girl, that please think, be financially independent. This is one strong message what I want to put across, that, not because you want to earn money. My dad always told me this, until date I remember this. He told me, the day you become financially independent, the day you have the power of pocket in your hand, you gain the freedom to make your choices. And which is so, so true. So I will not say just because you want to prove a point to someone, but if you wish to, it's always an asset, because it gives you the freedom to live the life you want, to live the way you want,
Whatever you want to buy, at
rather
least.
than somebody else deciding for you. So it's very important.
So we are agreeing that if you're
Very good thought.
financially independent,
Yes.
your choices also, it affects your choices
Yes.
also.
100%.
Yes.
It does. And you don't have to rely on anybody to decide for yourself. Then you gain that. You gain that to make your own choices.
Very, very, very thoughtful speech on that.
I really want to congratulate you both for starting this
Thank you
and
so
giving
much.
us an opportunity to be here. And it really means a
Our
lot for
pleasure.
having me here.
We are winding up on Delhi Unplugged with Kintu, and it was a good, graceful, fashionable
Yes.
episode this time.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Malini.
Thank you so much. Thank you.